Hello everybody, and today's our session about subtraction of rational numbers. In the previous session we have discussed about addition of rational numbers, and in today's session we will discuss about subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational numbers. See, the subtraction of C by D from A by B is written as A by B minus C by D. Yeah, this is important, students. Subtraction of C by D from A by B. C by D from A by B is written as A by B minus C by D. Suppose subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. See, subtraction of what? C by D from A by B. So subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. See, it is in the form of C by D and 5 by 6 is in the form of A by B. It is written as A by B minus C by D. See, subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. So first of all, we have to write A by B, that is 5 by 6 minus subtraction, right? Minus C by D, that is 3 by 4. Yes, you can observe here as their denominators are not same, so we have to find out their LCM. I mean LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 6 and 4. What is the LCM of 6 and 4? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 in 3 table, 3 1s are. So what is the LCM? LCM equal to 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM? LCM equal to 12. Okay, let me write. LCM is 12. We got LCM is 12. Now if you observe here the denominator is 6. In 6 table 12 will come. Yes, of course. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. I mean here into 2. We have to multiply for both numerator as well as denominator. Now coming to second fraction, 3 by 4, whose denominator is 4 here. Again in 4 table 12 will come. Yes, of course, 4 table, 4 3s are, yeah, 4 3s are into 3. Now 5 into 2. 5 table, 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, minus in 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 9, that is equal to 1 by 12. Okay, we will see one more example. Subtract minus 3 by 8 from minus 5 by 7. Subtract minus 3 by 8 from minus 5 by 7. Okay, minus 3 by 8 from minus 5 by 7. So first of all we have to write minus 5 by 7. Subtract minus of what? Minus 3 by 8. Students, first we have to write minus 5 by 7 minus of minus 3 by 8. Yes, write down minus 5 by 7. This minus into minus, that is plus 3 by 8. Okay, now as the denominators are different, 7 and 8, What is the LCM of 7 and 8? LCM of 7 and 8 is 7 into 8. 7 8 are 56. Because they don't have any common factor other than 1. So LCM of 7 and 8, 56. Let me write, as their LCM is 56. Now in 7 table, 7 how much are 56? 7 8 are 56, right? So into 8 into 8. Now coming to 8 table, 8 how much are 56? 8 7 are 56 into 7 into 7, right? Now minus 5 into 8. 5 8 are 40 plus 3 into 7. 3 7 are 21. That is minus 40 plus 21. One is negative number and other one is positive number. So we have to subtract. That is 40 minus 21. Borrow 10 minus 1 9. 3 minus 2 1. That is equal to 19. And here the bigger number is 40, which is negative. So result is also negative. So the answer is minus 19 by 56. Minus 19 by 56. One more example. Minus 3 by 5 from 9 by 10. Minus 3 by 5 from 9 by 10. Subtract minus 3 by 5 from 9 by 10. So first we have to write 9 by 10. Subtraction, right? Minus. The fraction is minus 3 by 5. That is equal to 9 by 10. This minus into minus. Minus into minus. That is plus 3 by 5. As the denominators are different, we have to find LCM. That is LCM of 5 and 10. 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. And coming to 2 table, 2 ones are 2. Therefore LCM equal to how much? LCM is 5 into 2. 5 twos are 10. So what is the LCM? LCM is 10, right? So let me write LCM as 10. In 10 table, 10 ones are 10 into 1 into 1. 5 table, 5 twos are 10 into 2 into 2. So 9 table, 9 ones are 9. 3 table, 3 twos are 6, right? 9 plus 6, that is equal to 15 by 10. Students, is it in standard form? Is it in lowest form? No. We can also express it as in lowest form. In 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So the answer is what? 3 by 2. In this way, we can subtract rational numbers. Okay. Now, we will discuss now about multiplication of rational numbers. Our next topic is multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers. We know in the previous classes we have discussed about multiplications of fractions. As we know that multiplications of fractions is equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. The same thing we will apply here also. The same thing we will apply. For example, let me multiply 3 by 4 by minus 4 by 5. So 3 by 4 is positive rational number, minus 4 by 5 is negative rational number. These two are rational numbers. How to multiply? As like fractions only. So multiply 3 by 4 into minus 4 by 5. Yes. What are the numerators here? Numerators are 3 and minus 4. Multiply product of numerators, that is 3 into minus 4 divided by product of denominators 4 into 5. So this is plus 3 into minus 4. Plus into minus is minus 3 4s are 12 divided by 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. Is it in standard form? No. Let me convert in 4 table. 4 table, 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. So the answer is what? Which is minus 3 by 5. Okay. Let us discuss one more example. Multiply minus 5 by 9 by 4. Multiply minus 5 by 9 by 4. So students, here you don't confuse. Here we have only 4. Is it 4 is a rational number? Yes, of course 4 is a rational number. All integers are rational numbers. 4 I can write it as 4 by 1. Now you can observe here which is in the form of p by q. Yes, it is a rational number. Both p and q are integers and q is non-negative integer. Right? So multiply now minus 5 by 9 into 4 by 1. Same. Product of numerators. What are the numerators here? Minus 5 into 4 by product of denominators 9 into 1. So minus 5 into 4. Minus into plus minus 5 into 4 20 divided by 9 into 1 9. So the answer is minus 20 by 9. Okay, we will discuss one more example. Multiply minus 36 by 7 by minus 28 by 9. Multiply same minus 36 by 7 into minus 28 by 9. Multiply as product of numerators minus 36 into minus 28 divided by product of denominators 7 into 9. 7 into 9. Listen here students carefully. We can cancel here. Observe here in 7 table 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Again in 9 table 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. We can simplify. So that is we have now minus 4 into minus 4 divided by 1 into 1. 1 into 1. As we know minus into minus. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 divided by 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. In this way we can multiply rational numbers. Okay. Also we will discuss now division of rational numbers. Division of rational numbers. Division division of rational numbers. Division also, as like we have divided fractions, right? So for example, divide 3 by 4 by 4 by 25. Divide 3 by 4 by 4 by 25. First of all, here you should know what is the reciprocal. What do you mean by reciprocal? What do you mean by reciprocal? As we know that, what is the reciprocal of A by B? Reciprocal of A by B is B by A. What to do? What is the reciprocal of A by B? Which is B by A. So whose product must be 1? Multiplication of two rational numbers whose product is 1. See here, for example, let me multiply A by B into B by A. A gets cancelled, B gets cancelled, so that is equal to 1. Multiplication of two rational numbers whose product is 1, then we say that the two rational numbers are reciprocal to each other. Simply, reciprocal of A by B is B by A. I mean, numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So what they are asking, divide 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 25. 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 25. So what to do now? So first fraction you write down as it is 3 by 4. Now you replace this division symbol with multiplication symbol and reciprocal of 4 by 25. What is the reciprocal of 4 by 25? That is 25 by 4. Now multiplication of rational numbers only. So that is product of numerators 3 into 25 divided by product of denominators 4 into 4. 3 into 25. 25 3s are 75 by 4 4s are 16. Okay. For example, one more question. Let us divide minus 8 by 9 by 4 by 3. That is minus 8 by 9 divided by 4 by 3. As we know that first fraction as it is minus 8 by 9. This is our division symbol. Replace with multiplication symbol and reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. Now multiplications of fractions, minus 8 into 3 divided by 9 into 4. So 8 into 3. 8 3s are how much? 24. So this is minus 8 and this is plus 3, which is minus 24 by 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36. Okay, let us divide one more. Divide minus 6 by 21 by minus 4 by 3. As it is first fraction minus 16 by 21 divided by minus 4 by 3. So as it is you write down minus 16 by 21. This is our division symbol. Replace with multiplication symbol. Yes. And the reciprocal of minus 4 by 3 as 3 by minus 4. 3 by minus 4. Students, you listen here. I can cancel this minus. I can cancel. In 4 table, 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. Again, in 3 table, 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Once again, 4 table, 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. In 3 table, 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. That is, now what are the numerators here? 4 into 1 divided by 7 into 1. Right? 4 into 1, 4 1 are 4, 7 into 1, 7 1 are 7. Understood? In this way, we can divide rational numbers. Okay? So far we have discussed about all the operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Operation on rational numbers. Operation on rational numbers. In the next session we will discuss about properties of rational numbers, which is very very important. Properties of rational numbers. Okay? So I hope you all understood all the operations of rational numbers. Thank you.